Hey Dave, he has to go pay some bills online. And he'll be here. Will they